All right, so I'm Chris Jellema. I'm the owner of 3D Miniz. We do 3D printed people, animals, custom trophies and awards, and serving the Oxford area initially, but we're expanding out to be able to offer it nationwide now. I actually needed help with resources and how to do a business plan. I had no idea how to do a business plan myself. You know, I could look up information online, but that only gets you so far and so many different results. But found out about the SBDC and that it was local to Oxford. So wanted to contact y'all, and I was referred to the classes that you offered. Learned a lot, was guided the whole way as to what to do, things to think about that I had never even considered before, and just got help along the way that was just instrumental to putting it all together. And Alan Kerr actually connected me with the Enterprise Center and Holly Kelly, the director of it. Being able to have that help from Alan and Holly and be able to secure a space at an affordable cost with no down payment or deposits or anything like that made all the difference in the world. Derek Stevens was great at connecting me with Paris Buchanan at the University of Mississippi in the athletics department, and got to have a meeting with him, show him our products. He was really interested in it, and we're still continuing that relationship to offer multiple different products to the university, and looking forward to continue working with them. Whenever I sat down with Derek and Alan and everybody with the SBDC, they had great advice on everything. They told me to come up with a lean business plan, which I had never heard of. They also ended up saving me at least $30,000 in the process, which as a small business owner, that $30,000 has been used in other places to really further the business. I've mentioned that to pretty much anybody that's asked me about 3D Miniz and just how instrumental the Small Business Development Center has been, because without y'all and your advice, I would have wasted tons of money, tons of time. I may not even be doing it right now. So by actually talking to y'all and getting your advice, saved me tons of money and got me started. And once I got out there and got started, and then with the contacts that you've had through the SBDC, it's just that really kicked things off, and it's just snowballed from there.